Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host and friend, Sahil. Today we're going to talk about something we deal with every day, and that is anger. Yes, that same anger that makes our internal CPU hit 100 degrees in a flash, and we feel like shutting down the person in front of us. Sometimes when stuck in traffic, or when the internet is slow, or when there's lag in an important game. Getting angry is natural, but if your mind keeps showing a blue screen of death, then it's time for a system update. In today's video, we'll understand where this anger actually comes from and how to hack it at the first level. So, let's start debugging. Friends, if I mix a little science and spirituality, anger is the firewall of our ego. Whenever things don't go our way, a small part of our brain called the amygdala gets hijacked. Think of it, this amygdala is your brain's panic button. When this button is pressed, all files like logic, love, and understanding get corrupted. Have you ever noticed? An angry person doesn't talk logically. Why? Because then their prefrontal cortex, which is our logic unit, goes offline. In short, we go from 4G directly to 2G and buffering starts. Now, how does this virus get into the system? They are called triggers. Everyone has different triggers. 1. Anger due to hunger. This is my favorite type. Just like a phone refuses to turn on the flashlight when the battery is low, the brain refuses to work if the body doesn't get food. 2. Broken expectations. I messaged him. Why didn't he reply? Or, I did this work on time, but the boss didn't appreciate it. 3. Technology failure. Anger when Wi-Fi goes out is the curse of the modern age. Just observe. The next time you get angry, ask yourself a question. Which of my sensors got triggered? Once you find the root cause, half the problem is solved. Now let's talk about solutions. When the CPU gets hot, the fan spins faster, right? Similarly, we also need to cool ourselves down. This is where pranayama, or in simple terms, breathing, comes in handy. When you get angry, do one thing first. Press the pause button. Before saying anything or typing that risky WhatsApp comment, wait for 10 seconds. I'll tell you an easy technique. Box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. And pause for 4 seconds. This method is used by Navy SEALs to reduce stress. If commandos can use it, then we definitely can. Doing this sends a signal to your brain that, buddy, a lion isn't chasing you. The internet just went out. Calm down. So friends, this was the first part of controlling anger. Remember, getting angry isn't wrong, but breaking your keyboard in the heat of that anger can definitely be expensive. In the next part, we will see how to use anger as fuel and how to keep your inner Hulk in check. If you like this video, click the like button like you throw a remote in anger, but gently, otherwise the screen will crack. Share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling and stay cool.